What's up guys? Today we're gonna unbox the WF-1000XM3s from Sony, and in this video you're gonna see my first impressions on these headphones. Yes, I know the WF-1000XM4s have been released, but the price drop of these headphones are remarkable. Do they really worth it? I would answer this question in my review. Yes, a full review, because I have to have time to make a full review of these headphones. Now, in this video, we're gonna just see the first impression video of mine, and as well as the unboxing. I hope you would like it. If you so, give a like to this video, hit the subscribe bell icon. I'm JB, watching TWJB, and straight away now, go. Let's get started. So we have the Sony WF-1000XM3s here over here to unbox, and yes, it says some specifications out there like hands-free calling and battery life, stuff like that, and this has an NFC and DAC, and then also 360 relative audio, and it gives a picture in the front. Now let's unbox this up first. More satisfying sound now. Let's get into this unboxing of this main product itself. Okay, we have to bring it left sidewise. Yes. Now you have the headphones itself, earbuds itself, as well as the charging case. It is the right one that you are seeing on screen, and the quality looks so much way premium. And this is the left button. Now this is a charging case. At first time it looks a great premium. The bronze at the top, the branding out there, and then there is a Type-C connector right out in the bottom. Let's see what's inside this box. Yeah, there are some extra ear tabs, I guess. Yes. Says some basic information over here. There are some extra ear tips, and then the Type-C to USB cable, and then the 360 reality audio, and then some documentations, which it's just a common thing. See the first impression of this video, and guess what, this whole clip is going to be unscripted totally. Most of my videos are unscripted as well, but what I'm going to say here is I'm going to say whatever I felt after hearing some hours with it. This is just the first impressions. As I mentioned before, the full review is going to come just after a week or something. Yeah, first let's talk about this. Let's talk about the design itself. That's one of the reasons again this looks so way premium. That too, the main charging case looks way much premium, and then the earbuds itself, they do. And now next let's come to the fit. It fit very well outerwear, and it fit very well secure, but it isn't as secure as other headphones out in this pricing. If you're talking about the secure fit, I will not give it to this, but yeah, the latest ones have a great fit. I just heard about, but again, this is the older version, but yeah, it does give a great fit, but it isn't super secure at all, I would say, because it fall down one or two times for me. So it's not a great headphones for the gymming too. So I will come to the next point out in this in the full review why it is not good for gymming. So right now, next thing, the sound quality. In my 2 hours of my hear music hearing section, I just found this sound great, and that too paired with the Sony headphones connect app, it's really awesome. And yes, as and next, if you talk about it has a touch controls too, that's very well great. And then it has NFC. To be honest, one of the favorite feature of mine is NFC. It has that, so that's been another very cool feature. And then, as I mentioned, does not have a wireless charging, which is somewhat disappointing, but it has a Type C fast charging, which is again great. Overall, I really impressed. These headphones really impressed me. Yes, the pricing is quite high, obviously, and as compared to their latest launches, this has been price dropped around 4990, which is a great value for it. Okay, so I'm not kidding, but actually, but after reviewing it for around a week or so, I will make a full review of this. What are the pros and what are the cons out of it, and I will catch you up in that review section. Now it's just my first few hours of usage review or something. Not a review. This is just a first impression. Once again, I'm mentioning it out. And other than that, yeah, I felt this is so much bulkier. Can't even go into my pockets very well. So it's another con, I would say. But yeah, I'll just make it everything like a script, and do everything so professional way in the review. This is just a first impressions and unboxing. I hope you would like this video up. If you like, so hit the like button, subscribe the like on. And I'm JB watching TWJB, and we'll catch you up in the next one. Until then, goodbye. Have a nice day.